You have seen so many FPV shot across social media, tama?
Mayroon ka ring mga GPS DJI drones at minsan nabibitin ka sa speed, adrenaline at versatility nito sa ere kaya gusto mo ng FPV drone.
Think you can stop what we do? I doubt it. We've got the energy, we'll tell you all about it. I searched for my spark and I found it.
Kaso wala ang idea kung paano i-build, paliparin at kung ano-anong isipin bago ang iyong first flight. Well, you've come to the right place. Narito ang 5 reason kung bakit DJI Avata 2 na lang ang kulang sa iyong equipment list. Number 1, si DJI Avata 2 ay ready to fly drone.
Ito ay parang all-in-one package FPV drone, ready to fly within seconds coming out from your bag. Para ka lang nag-setup ng traditional DJI drones kapag gagamitin. Ilabas mo lang sa bag mo, put all the needed accessories, and you are now ready to fly.
That's my passion and I couldn't live without it. You can do it like we do it, don't doubt it.
Flying close to objects feels safer and more confident.
Who you are and what you do, show me. Think you can stop.
Since this is a City Whoop FPV drone, it's made to shoot indoors and dahil mayroon itong built-in propeller guards, ay immune na ito sa mga crashes at semplang. We all should double the precautionary measures lalo na kapag nagpapalipad sa lugar na may mga tao. This type of FPV drone is made to fly on gaps or close to objects to give a feeling of thrill, inclusivity, and connection to the surroundings.
People be like, who are they?
Number 3 is the color versatility. As DJI claimed that this has the same sensor with DJI Action 4. Same field of view, color, and 10-bit color depth. Yes, 10-bit. May dilag-M na rin ito para sa mga gusto ng better color grading workflow at i-match ang ibang camera to have better output.
Number 4 is the flying modes. Aminado ako na takot ako mag-switch to FPV drone dahil sa crashes at sa learning curve kung paano magpalipad right away.
Pero DJI Avata 2 has 4 methods of flying this drone to bridge the gap between flying an FPV drone at sa mga diehard DJI voice. Method 1 ay ang paggamit ng motion controller. Ang paggamit nito ay one-hand operation lang at ito ang pinakamadali dahil gumagamit ka ng wrist motion para i-maneuver ang drone. Method 2 ay ang pagpapalipad in a normal mode using DJI Remote Controller 3. The simplest explanations ko rito ay ang controls mo ay same sa traditional DJI drones. May altitude hold ka and GPS. Method 3 ay ang sports mode. Para rin itong normal mode pero mas mabilis at mas may thrill. Method 4 ay ang full manual mode o ang lipad na para ang nagpapalipad talaga ng FPV drone. Ibang-iba sa controls ng traditional DJI dahil dito kontrolado mo ang acceleration. Hindi lang camera gimbal ang controls mo kung hindi ang buong aircraft mismo. Kung confused ka pa rin kung paano ito, pwede kang mag-download ng simulator sa laptop or computer.
Lastly and number 5 ay ang competitive price nito sa market.
With the price of 55,900 pesos Fly More Combo Kit at ang DJI FPV Controller 3 worth 8,990 pesos, it's a cheaper deal compared to its past predecessor na si DJI Avata. Kung bored ka na sa pagpapalipad ng traditional DJI drone at gusto mo ng kakaiba para naman may bago sa paningin, DJI Avata 2 is the way to go. Kung gusto mo ng dagdag sa iyong production value with less learning curve, less worry kapag nagka-crash, and less worry flying close to objects, then DJI Avata 2 is the perfect drone for you. Available ito lahat sa Altitude Digital and sa altitude.ph.
We got it.